So we'll go through the first data entry. As you can see, there are multiple tabs here which you can go through individually for each patient. Info is the basic information that you've already entered. You can notice the unique identifier number. Go to pre-op, click on edit. Here you will enter the operation, whether it is on the what site of operation is optional. Choose the specialty that associated with the surgery. You can choose whether it's elective or emergency. ASA classification. Now some of the comorbid conditions that are useful for peripheral nerve blocks are listed. As you can see, the default is set to no. Then you choose the block purpose, whether it is a sole anesthetic or analgesia, with the definition given based on that information button. Then you choose whatever intention of the block is. Then you can select how the block was done, what was the patient status during block. Some other basic parameters are required. What was the planned anesthesia? Did you have some safety monitoring standards that have been met or not, including using correct timeout or not? Once you have entered all these things, if you go back, you'll see in the screen that the pre-op section has gone green. That means you're completed. Now we'll enter another patient similar to this, and you will notice some of the smart features that are already built in, which takes up some of the data from your previous entry so that your data entry burden is reduced. So again, enter the basic demographics. As you can see, the default weight is set as 70, which you can modify. You can enter the height in feet and inches. You can use a converter from Google. Choose the date and time when you did the block. As you can see, it is flexible. Different tablets and smartphones have different sorts of time notifications. You can use that. Again, the default was chosen as pre-op, and as you can see, whether it was done by consultant supervision was all entered. You can see that the new patient is there. Again, go to the pre-op and click on edit. Enter the operation details and the specialty. Now these are not set to what you entered previously, as these are different for each patient. Again, the comorbid conditions are set default to no. What you will also notice is some important requirements are mandatory, are notified by stars. And then once you've chosen this, you can see the basic parameters that we were collecting. The safety quality data were already chosen, but they can still be edited. But the timeout or the correct site should be chosen. When you click save and you go back, you can see in the screen the pre-op entry is green.